What's up, mathletes? You get it? It's like math and athletes together. Today's challenge for you is going to be, I totally made it, a behind the back trash can paper shoot. Okay guys, so like I said, today's Fun-ger Games challenge is going to be the behind the back paper ball shooting into the trash can. So you're gonna need a couple of things for this. First thing you're gonna need is going to be your English homework. So take that English homework, crumble it up. Okay, don't do that because Ms. McClure is gonna get really mad if you do that. But I already did it, I crumbled it up. Sorry, you're gonna have to uncrumble it because I bet Ms. McClure is gonna want that back. You could actually just find a regular sheet of paper, not any of your homework. Crumble that up, and you got your first part done. Next thing you're gonna need is a trash can of some sort. My preference would be like the big 60-gallon trash cans, because you'll be able to put it farther away. The last thing you're gonna need is something to measure with. So, first option, tape measure. If you got one of these laying around, then that's gonna be the easiest way to measure because you can just measure as far out as it's gonna go for it. Second option, a ruler. A lot of y'all hopefully have a ruler sitting around somewhere that you could use to measure with. Third option is your English homework. But I already crumbled it up. Sorry, you're gonna have to uncrumble it. But a piece of paper like this is 11 inches long, so you can use a sheet of paper to measure distance. In case y'all didn't believe me, there you go, 11 inches. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna take your paper, shoot it behind your back into a trash can, and you're gonna see how far away you can shoot it. Obviously, if the trash can's right behind you, you could just drop it behind your back, but that's not gonna be a very high number. Okay, once you've made it, and if you wanna try farther and farther away, then go for it. But once you've made it, we gotta do some measurements for that. So here's how we're gonna do that. Okay, I got my chair and I got my trash can. So if you see the back of the chair leg, what I want you to do is we're gonna measure from that back of the chair leg to wherever your trash can is. So I can lay out my ruler here and go 1, I'll just flip it over like that, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna do some estimating and say that's 4 and about 6 inches, so about 4.5 feet maybe. So I can round that up to 5. If you're using a sheet of paper, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, it's pretty close. If you get past 10 feet, like if you go 10 lengths of paper, then you're gonna have to subtract 1 foot off from it, but really you're gonna be pretty close either way. Fourth option that I forgot to mention is on some phones you've got a measurement app that you can just point the phone at it and put a little dot somewhere and put a little dot on the other place and it'll measure it for you. But that's not nearly as much fun as measuring with a piece of paper, right? So go shoot your not English homework papers into the trash can, and however far away you can get it from, remember it's got to be behind the back. Measure it, and I'm gonna have that put up on our spreadsheet for the Fun-ger Games Day 2. Y'all have fun. See you later. Bye.